Okay guys, 2022 Rivian R1S launch edition. This is a quad motor, large battery pack, about 320 miles to the charge. Rebuilt title, damaged right here, suspension, fender, wheel was taken off, all been fixed up. All glass roof. You can see the large battery pack, quad motor, all-wheel drive, 16,541 on the miles, launch edition, 360 camera, heated, cooled, heated steering wheel, navigation, all your different options there. So here you can change all your heights and different modes. There again, you can see your miles, tire pressures. This does have a Meridian sound. Power windows. Got a little compartment there. This has passed the high voltage test, so there's an alignment for it, all passed. And if you read there that it says it has passed the high voltage test. Vehicle passed salvage high voltage test. So it will fast charge. So make sure we do that on all our electric vehicles. This is a 7-passenger, rear heated seats here. Two seats there in the rear. Glass, you can see this is a suede roof. See, these seats can sit up or they can recline back. Tow package back here on it. Pirelli tires. You see there's some LED lights that are all in there. They show up a lot better in the dark. Lights run all through here too. See them a little bit here. Nice, cheapest RS1 for sale in the nation. Ready to go. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.